वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to season 3 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. As always, I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed that Maidas, a strict Vaishnav who followed rituals and fasts with great discipline, was a devotee of Lord Krishna. His heart longed only for one thing, darshan of the Almighty. Yet, when he was about to meet Guru Amar Das ji, his rigid rules stopped him, and with sadness he went towards Dwarka. Now, Maidas was alone in the forest, hungry, weak, and praying for help. He fainted. My dear friends, listen closely because moments like this remind us of a beautiful truth taught in Gurbani that the Almighty is always listening to the sincere call of the heart. When the prayer comes from a place of purity and faith, Almighty's grace reaches us in ways we may not even understand. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 382. Antkaal Prabh Paye Sahai, It Uttarakhan Hare. Meaning, at the end, at the very last moment, God becomes the mortal's help and support. Here and hereafter, He is the Savior Lord. Now, seeing the deep devotion of Mai Das, the Almighty Himself placed a plate of dal and rice before him and disappeared. But friends, look at the dilemma of human mind. When Maidas opened his eyes, he was shocked to see the food lying right before him. And he thought, as mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash, मैं आचारी शंका ठानी बिन संजम किन आन्यो थानी सच सो चौके अंतर खावो बिगड़े नेम जे इस मुख पावो. Meaning, now, instead of recognizing the grace before him, Maidas began to think, I do not know who prepared this food and how it is cooked. If I eat it, my religious purity will break, and if I refuse, I may die of hunger. After thinking deeply, he made a painful decision. Then let me die, he said to himself, but I will not abandon my principles. Friends, has this ever happened to you? Sometimes truth and blessings stand right in front of us, but our rigid thinking stops us from recognizing the grace of Almighty. However, as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 682, Dayal Purkh Meherwana, meaning the Almighty is merciful, kind, and compassionate. So, friends, in that very moment of devotion, something remarkable happened. As Maidas closed his eyes again, he suddenly heard a sound and woke up. To his surprise, he saw proper Vaishnav food placed before him. In that empty forest where no one had come or gone, the food was lying right in front of him. Seeing his unwavering faith, the Almighty had even placed another plate in front of him. Maidas looked around the silent forest in wonder. No one came here, no one left. Who could have brought this food? And suddenly, I would say finally, a painful realization struck his heart. God came to feed me, yet I could not see him. He gave me food, but not his darshan. I have longed for his sight for so long. He was here, yet I could not see him. What mistake have I made? Is he not happy with me? Crying and praying, Mai Das wandered through the forest, searching in every direction, hoping for just one glimpse of the one he loved. Friends, imagine the depth of his love. The food he had been waiting for was lying right before him. Yet, his true longing was not for food, it was for the darshan of the Almighty. With tears in his eyes, as described in Sri Suraj Prakash, Mai Das began calling out repeatedly, हे नाथ के नाथ कृपाला, नाम गरीब निवाज बिसाला, हे मनमोहन सुंदर सांवर, मैं मलीन पामर ते पावर, अपनो बिरद संवारन करिए, मम अवगुण को नहीं निहरिए, होवे कृपाल दे दर्श गुसाई, प्रथम जथा भोजन दे आई. Meaning, O support of the helpless, refuge of the homeless, O Manmohan, O Murari, forgive my mistakes. Just as you showed your grace by giving me food, please also bless me with your sacred darshan. O Krishna, O Girdhari, O Murari, forgive my sins. O compassionate one, O Govind, bless me with your darshan. Filled with devotion, he wandered through the forest, weeping and calling out with all his heart. And then, my dear friends, in that silent forest, a voice suddenly echoed around him. Almighty's voice, saying, as mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash, "Ik aparad apno suno, जहाँ प्रेम तै नेम न गुना, जहाँ नेम तै प्रेम न पूरा, या ते रह्यो हृदय में उरा, जय श्री सतगुर गोविंदवार, दर्शन हित गमन्यो जिसकार, तै शंका कर राख्यो नेम, दर्शन करियो ना छोड़ियो प्रेम." Meaning, my Das, you have made one mistake. Love and rules are two different things. You held on to rules but forgot the deeper path of love. Rules can guide a person only up to a point, but beyond them lies true devotion, and there love must come before rigid principles. You went to Goindwal, yet you chose dry customs over love. You refused to eat from the kitchen of Guru Amar Das Ji, and because of that, you did not behold him. Mai Das froze and realized that he had been so mistaken in his spiritual journey. My dear friends, sometimes we think reaching the divine requires many rules, rituals, and strict practices. But Gurbani reminds us, as mentioned in Sri Dasam Granth, "Saach kaho sun leho sabhai, jin prem kiyo tin hi prabh payo." Meaning, listen everyone, as I speak the truth. Only the one who is absorbed in true love shall attain the Lord. Friends, the path to the divine is not complicated. It is not about how many rules we follow, but what truly matters is the sincerity of the heart, humility, and quiet remembrance. When love becomes pure and selfless, even the smallest prayer reaches the divine. And sometimes, like Maidas, we realize that what we were searching for far away was already standing right in front of us. Now, Maida stood frozen. Could it be that the very Guru he walked away from was the door to the divine he had been searching for all along? Therefore, without delay, he returned to Goindwal Sahib. Tune in next Tuesday to know what happens next. I hope this brings some peace to your hearts. Thank you.